Everyone, my name is Luis from wdkarautoglassreplacement in Irving, Texas. Today we have this one 2018 Jeep Wrangler. So we're going to pull the windshield out using a technique is called the saw technique. It's really easy and nice. The only we need is safety glasses all the time, gloves, protectors, the pen, view mirror, square wire, and the T-handles. Couple tapes just to cover and protect the part you're going to make the cut, and that's all. The first we're going to do is, remember, 65 inches of wires. That's what you need for this technique. So let's go inside and remove the view mirror. Okay, after that, we're gonna do, let's go on outside. This technique is outside technique. So you're gonna place your handles on one side. In this case, we're gonna start cutting passenger to the driver's side. I'm gonna use two little guys like this. You can have the suction cups like coming in this one sometimes, because I'm gonna hold the wire just for a second. So what we're gonna do is just hand this guy right here, just to grab it on the other side. Set the other corner in the low corner right here, and that one will be fine. I'm gonna use this tape and this one just to hold the glass when we make the cut already, and we do it. Alright guys, so now advices: never put your knees on this area, because you will create a big dent over here or here. Never use your foot or your knees or nothing to hold on this area. That you're gonna do first, and the first cut, you will go out of the door. Don't hit yourself on the inches. Just you're gonna stay inside the door and the frame. That's all you have to do. Hold this guy, and you're gonna start making the move, the saw move. Slowly, the edge of the wires never has to touch the edge of the glass, or they will snap in the line. So protect your hand like this, will be easy. You can use those kind of gloves or these ones. Nothing is gonna happen. Just make the move. You see, you got one coming up. The second line is coming. I will show you inside how the glue is cutting. These guys come out. We put it right here, because remember, this tape is nice at the first touch, but after that it won't stick anymore. You see? So the corner is coming. That's the lip. So we got corner coming, the second coming. That's the outside technique, the saw move. So let's gonna make another cut, and we pass this way. Okay, let's continue. The first is coming and the second one is inside. After that, run your line and one move. Okay, now when there's not much room behind you, you're gonna cover, hold the glass a little bit, and it's time to use the step. Remember, never use the step like this, or you're gonna just fall on your back. Always and straight. Okay, close the door, and I said before, don't put any pressure here or here, or you will damage just everything on your foot. Alright, and now the move will be more easy. Now if you still don't have too much support, you can put your knees right here, but never here or here. Okay, you can go like this. That's gonna hurt yourself a little bit. Just put something to protect, but you won't hurt too much. All right, and all you have to do is move. You catch the mirror, sometimes happen. The only you have to do is avoid this guy, because the line is completely close to the interior, so don't make any damage. All right. Careful, sometimes this guy has a fancy light. Now when you go close to the edge right there, that's where we set the tape, because we don't want to make any scratch. Go all the way here, and you see the turn, go like this. You see there's no mark, but that's the tape. And all you have to do here is go hold this guy like this, cross the lines, and go down. And that part is a little pull. You don't want to touch the paint, because that can happen if you start going in that corner. Just go up, make sure the wire is done, twist, and just cross your line, hold like here, and before you make the cut, secure the glass, and you will see the magic. Okay guys, and that's all. So easy job and very fast. Okay, now we finish here. Thank you so much for watching. This one was Luis from VDkarautoglass Replacement. So it's a pleasure, always share something to help. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.